Welcome to How to Use and Customize the Canvas course template. In this portion, we will discuss how to duplicate a module. The Week 1 module is meant to be a template to help you generate content throughout the semester. Once you have that module laid out as you plan to use it and the naming conventions updated, you can make copies of the module. To do so, use the three-dot kebab to the right of the module header and choose Duplicate. You will need to rename all of the pieces in your duplicated module to remove the word copy and to update it with the appropriate name as it should appear in the next module. Please note that if you do not see the duplicate choice from the kebab menu, you may have an item that is blocking that ability. For example, if you have a classic quiz or an external tool in the module, you will not be able to duplicate it. If that is a problem, you can move the item, such as a classic quiz, to another module temporarily, just long enough to duplicate your module. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.